Ma'am, and one more thing, ma'am. Can you send explain stamps link?
Yeah, you asked me, no? Okay, children, I will send in the afternoon time. Today afternoon time, I will send to fourth A, B, C, D for fourth.
Ma'am, can you send 50 lesson exercises, ma'am? I did not join that class, ma'am.
Yes, I will send. Now see children, now this lesson let me start. Stepwise thinking. Stepwise thinking means when you are solving any problem, then you need to write steps to solve the problem. If you start solving the problem step by step, definitely you will get success children. Okay, if you start writing steps, then the
Wow.
problem will be solved successfully. That is called stepwise thinking children. Okay, now the problem may be computer problem or real world problem. Okay,
Real world problem.
they gave examples for real world problem children. Why? Because computer problems you can't understand now as you are small children. First you need to develop that stepwise thinking knowledge. Then once you got that thinking knowledge, then you can solve either real world problems or computer problems also. Real world
Real world.
problem means you can easily understand. That's why they gave them. Okay, step by step thinking is nothing but writing steps while
Ma'am, but we
solving the
didn't
problem.
write this fifth lesson exercises, no, ma'am.
Yes, textbook exercises of fifth lesson do you need? Even if we did not write or if you have incomplete also children, I will send them in the WhatsApp. On in the afternoon time I will send. Okay, whoever have incomplete you write down and whoever completed you check. Okay, children, now see lesson number 6 we are in now. See, first example they gave is you have to plan for a birthday party. Okay, a birthday party is there. You have to plan. That is a problem. Birthday party is the problem given to you. How will you solve the problem? Simply, you have to write steps to solve the problem. Okay, uh, the example problem steps see everyone. First, for the birthday party, make a list of invitees. Who invitees? You have to make a list. That is the first task you should do when you are planning for a birthday party. Next step, inform invitees through phone call or email. Okay, first you made a list, then you have to call them. That uh, for invitation you have to call or email, send an email. That is second step. Third step, make proper seating and eating arrangements for them. Okay, if they came to party, where will they sit? Some chairs, some snacks you have to arrange for them. That is third step you have to do. Fourth step, snacks also ready. Then make arrangements for their entertainment. Entertainment means dance, music, anything. Okay, they have to be entertained. Simply, if they sit, they can't enjoy the party. So, for their enjoyment, some music or dance you have to arrange. That is called entertainment. That is
Okay.
fourth step, children. That is fourth step actually. Okay, because invitees are mandatory. That is first step. Calling them is mandatory. Second step. Eating and seating arrangement, third step. These are important steps. Last importance is given to entertainment. Then after entertainment, direct party. Now the preparations over, the guests came to your home. Then how will you treat them? Greet the guests with love and warmth. Greet means just good evening or something else, welcome. Like that, you have to greet them with love and warmth. You should not be rude with them. So you should treat them with love and warmth. Next, sixth one, enjoy the party. The last step is enjoy the party. If you did all 5 steps successfully, then sixth step will automatically comes. Okay, like this, if you write steps to solve the problem will be solved successfully. This is called stepwise thinking, children. Stepwise thinking. Every step has its own importance. Okay, but sequence of steps also important, children. See, first if you write entertainment point and then if you write phone call, that is not correct. First you will plan for entertainment, then you will call to invitees. No, first you have to call for the invitees. Then only all these things will be done. The order of the steps also important. Which should be first and which should be next. You have to arrange them in a proper way. Entertainment is fourth point. Not mandatory to do at the beginning only. Fourth point. And eating and seating arrangements also third point. Okay, not first point. Why? Because first you have to call them, invite them. Then you can do all these things. If you arrange seats and eating arrangements you are doing, you did not call the invitees, then who will come? Nobody will come. So this is main. That means the sequence we should come first, we should come next. That sequence also important. You can't change the order of the points. Okay, you should not change the order. Make a proper order of steps. Proper order of steps you make. For that, they give some other examples in the textbook, children. Okay, that is your little sister doesn't know how to brush her teeth. Okay, you have to suggest her some steps to teeth, some steps to brush her teeth. Okay, so that steps you have to give to your little sister. What are those steps?
Ma'am,
Tell
me.
We should give a
ma'am, we
brush, paste.
Ma'am, we already wrote the lesson.
Yes, yes, children. 6th lesson textbook exercises we wrote. If you did not write, no problem. I will send in the WhatsApp. You copy them. Okay. Today
Okay,
afternoon I
ma'am.
will send. No problem. Now, actually, 6th lesson I need to start. Actually, started for every section for you only. So that's why I'm explaining this. If there is anything with 5th lesson, I will send. You write down. Okay. See. First, for your little sister, you need to say the steps. Pick toothbrush from the holder. You have to take the toothbrush. You are saying this to your little sister. Rinse brush and turn off the tap. You have to first wash the brush. That is called rinse brush. With tap.
Ma'am, rinse.
Ma'am,
Making it wet like this, like this.
ma'am, we wrote page number 44 and 45.
Yes, that's what I am saying. I will page number 44 and 45. What is there in that page?
Ma'am, some activities are there, no, ma'am.
Yes, we
Worksheet.
wrote them. We wrote them.
Ma'am, I did not wrote, ma'am. I think that day I'm absent, I think, ma'am.
Okay, I will send. I will send. Okay. Now you see, children.
Ma'am.
Step. Apply after rinsing the brush.
Ma'am, what is mean by rinse, ma'am?
Rinse means like this, like this. Keep the brush bristles below the tap and you will wash it, no? Like this, you will move it. Moving the brush. That means washing the brush with the tap water. That is called rinsing. Okay. Okay, that is just like washing, but we can't say wash, but we are not washing like cloths or anything else. Just we are making the brush wet. That word we call as rinse. Okay, so apply after the task, apply toothpaste on the brush. You have to apply some toothpaste on the toothbrush. Then these steps you are saying to your little sister, you remember that. Start brushing your teeth. Then clean the brush and rinse your mouth. See, children, you can think that why these many steps. Simply we can take brush, pour, put some paste and brush your teeth. Like that we can say no. So if you say like that, okay, in a proper way, your little sister cannot get it. She will do in a careless way. That means the sequence of steps, how to do each and every step, if you say, then she can easily catch it and she can do the task correctly without mistake. She will do. If you are not saying the steps properly, then she may get some confusion. Whether to wash brush or not, whether to put paste or how to brush, how much time, that type of things she don't take care. Okay, the way you are saying is very, very important. Proper way you need to select and say. Okay, so then clean the brush. After brushing the teeth, clean the brush and rinse your mouth. Your mouth also you have to rinse and brush you have to clean. Put the brush back and pick tongue cleaner and rinse it. From the holder, now your little sister has to take the tongue cleaner. Then clean your tongue cleaner. sorry, clean your tongue. Tongue she need to clean. Clean the tongue cleaner and rinse your mouth again. Last, she need to clean the tongue cleaner and again she need to rinse the mouth. Finally, you get the desired result. That is fresh and germ-free mouth. In that way, if you say the steps, then without any complication, she can do the task. The problem will be solved successfully, perfectly it will be solved. Okay, for small works like brushing teeth, you may think that these steps, these many steps, no need. But for some complicated problems, when you are solving, these steps are mandatory. If you write the steps, then only that problems will be solved successfully. Otherwise, if you did not write anything, simply if you guess and do, then all the times you will get mistakes. Again, when you get mistakes, again correct them. Again mistakes, again correct. No need, write steps and check whether those are correct or not. And once you try that one, you will be successful in the first time only. So now the second case they gave as an example in the textbook is write down the steps required to pack your school bag for the next day. You have to pack the school bag for the next day. Now you tell me, I stopped my share screen, children. I will ask somebody to these steps. Hansika, are you there? Hansika.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me steps to set right the bag. Don't see the textbook. Whatever you think in your own, you tell me the steps. To set right the bag.
I will say, ma'am.
Yeah?
Ma'am, having a screen option, ma'am. Share screen option.
No need of share screen. This is one question I am giving to you because you don't see the textbook. I don't want to show you the textbook. I want to see how much you will guess. To whom I have asked this, Hansika. Tell me, whatever you think, this is your own question. In one way you can say, there is no fixed steps for this. Okay, you say in your own words, how will you set right the school bag for next day?
Okay, ma'am. First, I will come to home and take all the books and things from my bag and clean my bag.
Yes.
After cleaning my bag, I will see which things I want and I will keep in one place and I will start keeping in my bag.
Yes.
After keeping, I will be ready to clean my bag, ma'am.
Again cleaning. After keeping the things, you will be ready to close your bag with zip. You have to zip your bag. Okay, very good. Then,
Can I?
okay, Namisha, tell me.
Ma'am, first I will come to my home. Next I will open my bag and I will see my diary. And I will open the last page, see the timetable, what periods are there. I'll go to my cupboard and take my required books and keep in my bag. I will take my dictionary and other stationery like scale, eraser, pencil and keep in my bag. I will close it and I will keep it aside.
Yes, very good. Close the bag. Okay, in your way you thought it. That means by seeing the almanac, because for tomorrow you are set writing the bag. That's why you have to see the timetable. Okay, what periods are there in the tomorrow's school hours? You have to select those books only. That's why you have to see the almanac. That is also correct. Next, only one more person. Kashyap. Kashyap, will you say the steps? Kashyap, steps to set right the bag for next day. Can you tell me, Kashyap?
Ma'am, I take the books that I need for the classes
Yes, very good.
and keep the other books aside.
Yes. Then keep the required books in the bag and close the bag. Other stationery,
Bag.
anything you have to keep them and close the bag. Okay, that is also
Close.
correct. Okay, but this is a small problem. Even though when you write steps or when you think steps, what we should do first, what we should do next. If you think, then the problem will be successfully solved. Your thinking power also will be increased, children. Your thinking power will be increased if you start from now onwards, from fourth onwards. Okay, see the textbook and let me show the steps. What did they give? First, open the bag. You have to open the bag. Okay, take out your school diary, see the timetable, go to the bookshelf, take out the books and notebooks, whatever related subjects are there according to the timetable. You take out those books and notebooks, keep them in a bag, close the bag. Okay, like this, you have to think the steps to solve the problem. Next, third one. Third one is write down the steps for making a sandwich. Okay, Veda, you tell me what are the steps to make a sandwich. Don't see the textbook, in your own way, try to say.
First, some vegetables. Second, bread. Third, vegetables and bread together, ma'am.
Complete the point you are saying, but it is not clear. Vegetables means cut the vegetables. Then second point, keep those vegetables in the toasted bread or else bread. Third step, toast it or bake it. After keeping the vegetables, you have to cook the bread. Like that you complete.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Harsha. Harsha is in driving, I think. No need. Then, Shrestha, will you tell me?
Ma'am, no problem, ma'am. I can say.
Okay, Harsha, you tell me then. What are the steps to prepare a sandwich? Stepwise thinking, for that I am asking. So, you should say your own steps.
Ma'am, take a toaster and bread and chopped vegetables, ma'am.
Yes.
Then I will.
Ma'am, after Arsha, can I
Then
say?
I will.
Mm-hmm.
Then I will make. I will take the bread and put the chopped vegetables in the
Bread.
middle of the
Bread.
slices.
Yes.
Then switch bread. Then switch on the toaster and
Yes.
of sandwich maker.
Yes.
That becomes the sandwich that becomes the sandwich.
Yes. Okay, you have to close the sandwich maker and bake it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Then finally you will get delicious sandwich. Okay, mute yourself,
Ma'am,
Harsha.
can I say?
Okay, you tell me the steps.
Ma'am, can I say?
Who is that one more? Who is that one? Sai
Sai
Vivek.
Vivek, ma'am.
Okay, Sai Vivek. First, let that Anvit complete, then I will give chance to you. Anvit, you start.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, first I take 2 slices of bread, ma'am.
Yes.
After I'll cut some vegetables. I'll take some butter and
Yes. Chop the vegetables afterwards.
I put inside of 2 blood slices.
Yes. After
I
that.
mix. I take that vegetables and cut small and put in 2 slices. I put into 2 slices of veg and I'll take bread maker and put inside. I'll wait for 5 minutes. After I will open the sandwich is ready.
Ready. Okay, you have to chop the vegetables, keep them in the middle of the two bread slices. You have to keep those two bread slices in the toaster. Then you have to on the switch and bake it for 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, you will get delicious sandwich. Okay, and with then Vivek, Sai Vivek, this is last final. Sai Vivek, after I will start next concept. Sai Vivek, you tell me what are the steps?
Ma'am, first I will take a pan and I will put some butter, ma'am, and I will keep the flame in a medium flame, ma'am. So
Yes.
I can fry the bread pieces, slices, ma'am. So
Yes.
after toasting the bread pieces, I will take out the bread. I will take the bread pieces and
Mm.
turn off the stove, and after that I will chop vegetables and put the vegetables on the bread and keep one more bread on the vegetables. The sandwich is ready.
Yes, very good, very good, Vivek. Good, good. Okay, so he told first to bake and then keep the vegetables. That is also correct. Let me show you the textbook how they gave. See, first, this is the answer they gave. Take toaster, bread slices, and chopped vegetables. Two, three units. First, spread butter on the bread slices. First, you have to apply some butter on the slice. Put the chopped vegetables between bread slices. You have to put the vegetables. Next, grease the sandwich with oil. Okay, you have to put some oil on the sandwich. Next, place the bread sandwich in the toaster. You have to place it on the toaster. Switch on the toaster and grill the sandwich. Sandwich you have to grill for some time. Then it will be ready. Okay, so these are the steps. Okay, one or two steps before or after, everyone told correctly. Everyone told correctly. Okay, every problem, if you think like this, you will be solve it successfully, children. That is the main essence of the lesson. Solve the problems step by step. Think in a step by step way. Okay, now the next concept. It is a different concept, children. Encoding and decoding. Now we are in page number 59. Everyone see page number
Ma'am,
59.
ma'am, encoding means what, ma'am?
Yes, I am saying that one. Encoding and decoding is used while the information is transmitted through the network, children. So, okay, you don't see the
Ma'am,
textbook. First, listen the concept. When we are transmitting our information through the network, any other person may take our information without our permission. It may happen, children. See, your parents are doing banking transactions from home. You are also sending email IDs to your friends, relatives. Okay, so many things you are doing through your
What is
laptop,
this?
through internet. Okay, if you have internet, how will you get the internet, children? Through the data cable. Data cable, Wi-Fi router will be there in your home. A cable will be there with that router. That cable you are going to attach and you are going to take one password and you are going to connect with the internet. Whatever passwords you are sending, passwords, information you are sending, for example, your parents are asking to transfer from SBI account to some other account, some amount, 10,000 they are transferring. So for that, they need to open first SBI account transaction page. Then they have to fill full page. They have to give their account numbers, internet password, bank password, all they should give. Whenever they give and they will submit that one, where the details will go to the SBI bank server, they will go. So the details has to transfer from your home laptop to SBI server. SBI server, where it will be? It will be in some other place. You think, for example, you think Hyderabad Uppal SBI server is there. Okay, the data need to transfer from your home, Miyapur to Uppal, the data need to transfer. The passwords,
Ma'am,
form you have given, that need to be transmitted. How it will be transmitted? Through the cables.
ma'am,
Wait 1 minute, you wait. Through the cables, it need to be transmitted. Okay, so while it is transmitting through the cables, any other person may attach his cable and he may catch your information. What you are sending,
Ma'am,
he may catch it. Any other, see, on the way, so many people will be there. We can't say this person or that person. Any other person directly take one cable. He will take one data cable and he will attach the data cable to your data cable outside. Outside, he will do the task. Then simply he will know all your bank passwords and whatever messages you are sending. He will know and directly misuse your passwords. That means they will take your money, then they will transfer your money to their accounts. This type of information theft will happen. That means taking the information without the permission of others. That is called information theft. Like money, how they will take, thieves how they will take, like that only information will be taken by other persons. That other persons with who will take our information without our permission are called hackers. Hackers, that isn't, I think. Hackers, what will they do? They will hack the information without our permission and they will take the passwords and they will take our money and personal information. They got no, some sort of blackmail they will do. Okay, so these type of things may happen if the information is directly transmitted through the cables. So the information is not transmitted directly. Whatever you give, that will be transmitted in the form of encoded data. That means if you give ABC, for example, you think ABC will not be transmitted. In place of A, B, C, some other letters will come or some other numbers will come. Some other symbols will be transmitted through the cables. Whenever you give, that is ABC. Okay, whenever you give ABC, it will be transmitted in some other format through the cables. Transmission will be done. Finally, it reaches to the destination. That means Uppal SBA server, it reached. There, whatever symbols, letters are encoded, that will come to original format ABC there. Okay, how now whenever you give, it is ABC. After that, encoding will be done and through the cables, especially cables will be outside, no, they will be transmitted through the cables in the form of encoded data. And once if they reach to the destination place like bank, then
ma'am,
again original data will come.
excuse me, ma'am.
Now you tell me what is your doubt.
Ma'am, this is called internet.
This is not called internet. This is the process of encoding. See, children, you may get doubt what is encoding, why we need encoding. Encoding means while transmitting the information through the network, it will be transmitted in the form of letters, numbers and symbols. Other letters, other numbers and other symbols will be transmitted, not the original text, to make it secret from the hacker.
Ma'am,
That is called encoding. Tell me.
ma'am, Varshita, ma'am, I'm showing one is internet.
Wait a minute. I will stop the. What are you showing? Wait a minute. I am seeing. You show me. That is not internet. Maybe that is a device to connect internet. That is a device. Okay, that is a device which is used to connect with internet. Okay, so internet means it is not a device, children. Total network is called internet. Okay, so total network is called internet. From the internet, you can download information, you can send messages to your friends who are in some other place. You can call them, you can chat with them, you can send your photos. Okay, like that, so many things you can do in internet. Okay, that is a network. But while working with the internet, your information will not be transmitted directly. It will be transmitted in the form of encoded data. Encoded data means combination of some other letters, some other numbers, some other symbols. Okay, whoever try to catch your information, they will not get your information directly. They will get encoded information. Okay, and you only know what is the correct information, and the bank server who receive your information, they will know the original information. In between, whoever try to catch it, they will get encoded information only. Now see what is encoding. See the definition, everyone. Encoding is a process to convert information into a set of letters, numbers, symbols in the form of a code. So information, how it will be sent? Conversion of information will be done. Conversion of information will be done to whichever form, which consists of some letters, numbers, symbols, like that, it will be converted. Original text will not be there at all. Okay, why we will do that one? So that we can keep it a secret, to make the information as secret. Encoding is done according to a defined set of rules. To do encoding, there are some set of rules, children. Based on the rules only, we need to do encoding. Okay, so now I told that your information will be changed and letters, numbers, symbols will come. For changing also, there is a procedure. You can't change in your own way. There is a procedure. That procedure you need to follow. You means actually banking people and who need security, they will use some encryption methods, children. They will take care. Okay, as a user, your parents who are doing banking transactions, they are all users. They don't bother at all. Simply they can give you their passwords directly. The bank people will take care of total security. Bank people will take care. While the customer's passwords are transmitting through the cables, okay, they will not be touched by any other persons. Bank people will take care like that. Now see, encoding term means changing the information to some other format. You remember that. Decoding. The next word is decoding. Decoding means converting the encoded message back into its original form. See, now you did encoding. In place of your message, you have changed the letters, numbers, and some other symbols you gave. That is encoding. Encoding over. But whenever it reaches the destination, after reaching to the bank cannot understand encoding data, encoded data. Again, it need to convert it into original form. Okay, for example, first you gave ABC, but in the network, it will be transmitted as C, B, Z or something else. But whenever it reaches to bank, the C, B, Z again becomes ABC. Exact text will come. Okay, the original form will come when it reaches to the destination. This is called decoding. Encoding means converting the information into some other symbols and letters. Decoding means converting the encoded message into original form. Original password ABC will come. When it reaches to bank or when it reaches to final destination place, there it will come. But in the cables, in the network, it will not at all come. Encoded data only will be there to make it a secret from the hackers. This helps us to understand its true hidden meaning. So in this way, you can understand the meaning, why we are doing this encoding. Okay, so to keep it secret from the other unauthorized persons, to make it secret, they can't see that I don't want to show my information to others. In that situations, encoding is mandatory. They gave some methods, children, some simple encoding techniques. These are very simple, children. Bank people won't use these simple methods. Bank people will use complicated methods because bank accounts will have lakhs of rupees. Hackers always try to take away our money. So that's why bank people will not use simple encoding. They will use very difficult methods. Hackers cannot identify that type of methods they will use. See, encoding means hundreds, thousands of methods will be there, children. Unlimited number of methods will be there. Just for example, you are small children. That's why they gave only 3 methods in your textbook. 3 methods for encoding. How we will encode. First method is reverse the words code method. Reverse the words code. Reverse the words code means whatever password you have given or whatever words you have given in your information, they will be reversed. For example, in the original language, you have PEN, pen. In the encoded language, it becomes NEP. N is the last letter, it comes to first place. E will be as it is, second place. And P is the first letter, it will become last letter. Okay, that means you gave PEN and you know the password. Okay, but in the network, it will transmitted like NEP. Hackers will get this NEP. They can't identify. They may think that NEP is the correct answer. They will try. That will not work because your password is PEN. You have encoded that one. So again, when it reaches to bank can convert this NEP to PEN, that is decoding. That is decoding. NEP will be converted to PEN when it reaches to destination. Original text will come at the destination. That is called decoding. Okay, so this is a method, reverse the Morse code. Next example, in that only one more example. BOY, boy is the password. It will be transmitted like YOB, yo. READ, read is the password. It will be transmitted like last letter DAER. Okay, it will be transmitted like DAER. Okay, children. So that means this is a method of encoding. Reverse the Morse code. I will ask you at the end. I will open one white notepad and I will ask you questions. According to reverse code method, I will write some original language lines. You have to say the encoded data. Just simply reverse it. In the reverse order, you say back onwards to first. DAER. Back to first if you write, then encoded data will come according to this method. Second method, see children. Second method is number swap code method. Number swap code means in case of letters, we are going to replace the letters with numbers based on their position. See, A is in first position. In place of A, we will write number 1. B is in second position. In place of B, we will write number 2. Okay, C third position. Like that, for every alphabet, okay, a number will be assigned. That number is used in place of that letter. Okay, in the encoded data I am saying, not in the original data. Original data is FRIEND, friend. You gave the password. But it will be transmitted like F in place of F. What is the number for F? 6. 6 will come. R. In place of R, what is the number for R given? 18. 18 will come. In place of I, 9. In place of E, 5. In place
It's lesser.
14. D means 4. That means the alphabets are replaced with numbers. See, now FRIEND password is encoded to